Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your Lionbridge TELUS worker account for flexible AI work from home opportunities. Whether you are looking to start a new job or expand your work from home options, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the Lionbridge official website. Begin by navigating to the Lionbridge official website. You can do this by typing Lionbridge into your search engine and selecting the official site from the results. Step 2. Locate the worker login section. Once you are on the home page, look for the worker login or apply now button. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the web page. Step 3. Create an account. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. Click on the Sign Up or Create Account button and fill in the required information. Make sure you provide a valid email address and choose a strong password for your new account. Step 4. Confirm your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation message from Lionbridge. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your address. This step is crucial as it activates your account. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the Lionbridge website and log into your account using the email and password you just created. If you experience any issues, ensure that you entered your credentials correctly. Step 6. Complete your profile. Once logged in, you will need to complete your profile. Fill in any additional information required, such as your availability, skills, and preferences for work assignments. This will help Lionbridge match you with suitable projects. Step 7. Explore available projects. After completing your profile, you can start exploring the available AI work-from-home projects. Navigate to the project listings and find tasks that interest you. Make sure to read the requirements and deadlines carefully. Step 8. Apply for projects. When you find a project that suits your skills, click on it to learn more and submit your application. Follow any provided instructions to ensure your application is complete. Step 9. Wait for acceptance. After applying, you will need to wait for confirmation from Lionbridge regarding your application status. This can take some time, so be patient. Step 10. Start working. Once accepted, you can begin working on your projects. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the guidelines and expectations for each task. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on activating your Lionbridge TELUS worker account for flexible AI work from home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.